Hi, this is Dr. Simarpreet Kaur. In front of me is a very adorable patient of mine, Chani Narang, जिसे आप सब जानते हैं. She is a CEO of Fine Books. But जो लोगों को नहीं मालूम, she is one of my dearest friend. So on the occasion of my birthday, I would like her to share few words of wisdom with you all. So all to Chani Narang.
Well, hi friends and everybody. Simar has very rightly said that I firstly was one of her patients, and after that, when she treated me for X number of my obesity and everything, so we, in the due course of time, became very thick friends, and we share almost everything with each other, all the ups and downs and all. Sima was, as I said, was the person who I really regard as one of a gem of a person that I've ever met in my life, because she's always stood by my thick and thin, even in my illness and even when I've not been able to be in communication with her for many months, because this happens with me that I sometimes becomes very busy with my work schedule and everything and house and everything. So we don't. It's not like we have to pick up the phone every day and talk for 10 hours. No, it's not like that. But whenever we do talk, it even a span of 5 minutes or 10 minutes leads us to as if we've satisfies us as if we've talked for 10-15 hours a day. So this is the kind of equation we have. We both have an amazing mental match, and we love supporting each other. She's always supported me in whatever decisions I've taken. There have been times when decisions have been very tough and very uh, challenging for me, but she's always had my back, and she's always supported me, and she's like, you can do it, you can do it. There have been situations where sometimes I had self-doubt in myself, but she never did, and that really speaks volumes of her trust in me. And I'm very gratified to have somebody who really has that trust in me. Similarly, when it comes to her and it comes to her medical acumen and knowledge, I don't care what anybody says about her. There are so many people talking, that dietitian है, उसको ये है, doctor है, ये. Everybody has a lot of doubts on her and all. But me being a person, I first of all I like to clear the myth that she's not a dietitian. She's actually a doctor, which people don't realize, because there's a horde of dietitians in the market, and many of them, with no disrespect to anybody, many of them don't even know how a human body reacts to many situations. She is the one person who, over the period of time, through a hard work and through a lot of research, has formulated amazing therapies with simple tips and tricks. And we've and have and there have been situations that people have said, ma'am, there is no point of no return for you, or you have to take this medicine, you have to take this steroid, you have to take this. But when I came to her, she has always treated me with the most simplistic and holistic way. Small things like a tomato can help you solve so many problems in your life, in your obesity and in your life, that you will be amazed to know. And for people like us, laymen like us, who have always been having doctors all the time, have this medication, have that medication, she actually has taken out medication from my life. And today, if I sit here and I am successful for whatever, yes, my family has had a great hand in my success, because they have supported me. But apart, if I talk about anybody else except my family, it's been Dr. Sima, who has actually made me this potent. She's actually cured me physically, so I could take a step, a leap in the work that I'm doing. Otherwise, 5-6 years back, I had actually given up all hope that I'll ever be able to work again. So if I sit here and I'm making this video, it's all thanks to her. It's her hard work. It's my trust in her, because I know that anybody can do anything. If even if I'm maybe on the last verge of my life, I will still trust her to save me rather than anybody else I go to. I do have a pre-diabetic condition and everything, and she has cured me with any and everything. And it's like, I come up with a problem, I cause a mess, I come up with a problem, and I throw that problem to her and say, now help me solve it. And then she does, and she gets me back, and she gets me back on track. So that's what my trust on her is. So as a person, she's a wonderful person, a person whom you can have your trust in, a person who will, if you have trust in her, would never break your trust ever. This has been my personal experience with her. Person who is very knowledgeable, who is very gratified, humble, loves social service. She knows her subject very well. She knows her medical science, her diets and everything very well, and her combinations and all. So I would suggest, it has been a beautiful journey with her. We both have had personal ups and downs. We both have had our professional ups and downs, but we have been as a rock with each other, and kind of we are like inseparable, like two parts of a coin. So I hope our friendship goes further to the end of our lives, and we will be as wayward, as wacky, and maybe beautiful, of course, and as weird as possible. And hope that you stay the same always, and hope we both have this kind of relationship always and forever. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Chandni. Of course, we're going to be sharing the same kind of bond always because this bond is unconditional. It's with because of we being two individual selves than being one incompatible, and we are like two individual incompatible souls being compatible at the same phase in life, and especially accepting each other flaws, each other's success, indeed cherishing each other's flaws and success at the same time, being honest on the opinion grounds, being honest with each other, and definitely being loyal in the friendship, because where the loyalty comes, everything can be
I'd
cherished.
like to add one more point here. This is one of the very few females who are not jealous.
Thank you. Thank you.
Because
Thank
the
you.
basic trait of many feminists are that, oh, iski sari meri sari se safed kaisi. But she is one of those people who have never been jealous of my success, who have always supported me, and I can say, I can talk to her about anything, and I know she's going to give me a genuine advice. So I don't know, I've never found somebody who is on the same page as me for a very long time. So thank you once again.
Thanks, darling. Thank you so much. And I really wish that God be always kind on us. And I'm very sure that Babaji will always bless us, that this unconditional friendship stays till the end of our last breath. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.